How to see who shared your reels on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to see who shared your reels on Facebook. So here, without further ado, let's get started with the videos. So can we really see who shared our reels on Facebook? So the short answer to that is no. Facebook does not generally show a list of specific people who shared your reels, but there you can see how many times it's been shared, but not exactly who shared it in most of the cases. So, here this is the part of how Facebook has changed visibility to share activity, and many users report that tapping the share count no longer reveals the detailed list. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.